Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a tax form in Turbotax. If you accidentally entered the wrong form or added information that you no longer need, removing that form can help keep your tax return accurate and organized. So let's walk through the exact steps to delete a messed up Turbotax form. First, open your browser and go to the Turbotax website, then sign into your account using your username and password. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your Turbotax dashboard, where you can view and manage your current tax return. From the dashboard, look for the Tax Tools option on the left side of the screen. Click on Tax Tools to expand the menu. This section includes several useful options that allow you to manage different parts of your tax return. After expanding the Tax Tools menu, click on Tools. This will open a small Tools window where you'll see additional actions you can perform related to your tax return. Inside the Tools window, find and select the option called Delete a Form. This option allows you to view all the tax forms currently included in your return. Once you click Delete a Form, Turbotax will show you a list of all the forms associated with your tax return. Carefully scroll through the list and locate the form you want to remove. This might be a form that was entered incorrectly or one that you added by mistake. When you find the form, select it and click the Delete option next to it. Turbotax will ask you to confirm the deletion. Review the form name to make sure it's the correct one, then confirm the action. After confirming, the form will be removed from your tax return, and any related information connected to that form will also be cleared. And that's it. That's how to delete a tax form in Turbotax, so you can fix mistakes and keep your return clean and accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Turbotax guides and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.